short fuse wheelie guards. Gentlemen, we have the technology, we have the capabilities to help you do awesome wheelies. Better, stronger, faster. Well, that was way too serious for Wads. Gotta shake that off. But the reason for the $6 million analogy, other than the fact that it does help you do wheelies, Short Fuse has come out with a new wheelie guard. It's more just an upgraded version from version 1, which is what this is, to version 2. So a lot of guys have been asking me about this. If you've seen my last video on the wheelie guard, it's getting a lot of traction. It's approaching 100,000 views quite rapidly. People have been asking me a whole lot of questions on it, so I wanted to bring their updated version to you. It's burly, it's strong, it's made out of 6061 aluminum. So you can see how the old system was like a 3-part system there. Cleaner design, lighter design, stronger design. They've also increased the thickness in the arm that connects to the wheel. So that's gone from 3/8 to 1/2 inch. You can see the quality in it, guys. Like, this is no joke. So when I first started, I was down here, right? Somewhere around there, right? You know, and I was a scaredy cat, right? I didn't know what I was doing, and figured, okay, I'll start small. And then I was like, okay, I can do that. Got up to there, and then Hey guys, also recently they did some high-tech computer-generated stress tests and physical stress tests on there because they wanted to know exactly what point this failed. And it's no shocker that it's right at the wheel, at the through point where the bolt is. And as I mentioned, there isn't a whole lot of difference between the two, but you do save a 1/2 pound in weight with this one, and you do get more clearance when the suspension compresses because of the bend angle is a little bit further up. Also, you get a little more adjustment for adjusting the tracking. Okay, how many failures have you had, right? Because I was figuring, okay, you probably had a bunch of failures, you know, why else would you be redesigning it? And they said they've virtually had no failures. So that's really good to know, obviously. And guys, I'll put a link to the review I did on this, the original one, and I'm gonna leave a discount code in the description down below so you guys can save some money as well. Huh?
50 feet.
Making some progress.